In the dynamic landscape of corporate leadership, the ability to navigate crucial conversations with finesse is the hallmark of a true leader. Welcome to the arena of leadership mastery, where every conversation is a strategic opportunity to shape the course of your organization's journey. As seasoned veterans in the realm of leadership, we all possess the acumen and insight to harness the power of these pivotal moments. These are the moments that define our leadership legacy, where decisions are made, visions are shared, and destinies are shaped. Let's begin by exploring the significance of crucial conversations in leadership. These conversations have the power to influence decisions, build relationships, and drive organizational success. As an esteemed leader, you do understand the weight of your words and the impact they have on your team and organization. Now let's dive into practical strategies for preparing for crucial conversations. These are the basic ones, and that's the reason we may tend to just overlook them. So begin by setting clear objectives for the conversation. What outcomes do you hope to achieve? How will this conversation contribute to your team's goals and the organization's vision? As a seasoned leader, your ability to articulate these objectives sets the stage for a productive dialogue. Anticipate potential challenges and objections that may arise during the conversation. Draw upon your wealth of experience to identify possible roadblocks and prepare thoughtful responses. From clarifying objectives to anticipating challenges, you possess the foresight and strategic mindset needed to navigate these conversations with precision. And this will ensure that you can navigate any obstacles with grace and confidence. By mastering the art of crucial conversations, you illuminate the path towards leadership excellence, inspiring confidence and trust in your team. With every word spoken, you carve out a legacy of impact and influence, shaping the destiny of your team and organization, leaving an indelible mark on the corporate landscape. So what's your approach to deal with crucial conversations? Do let us know in the comment box, and do like and share this video. See you in the next video.